Hello everyone, welcome to this fun crochet tutorial where we'll be making an adorable caterpillar. This little guy is perfect as a cute toy, a decorative piece, or even a sweet gift for someone special. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, I'm so excited to guide you through this project step by step. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to support more fun tutorials like this. Let's grab our yarn and hook and get started. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring and working 6 single crochets into it. This is the base of our caterpillar's body. Take your time to get that ring nice and tight. You've got this. Tip, pull the tail gently to close the ring securely. Next, for round 2, we're doing 6 increases. That means 2 single crochets in each stitch from the last round. You're doing amazing already. Look at that body starting to grow. Tip, keep your tension even for a smooth shape. For round 3, we'll work 1 single crochet, then an increase, and repeat that 6 times. You're building such a cute little caterpillar. Keep up the great work. Tip, use a stitch marker to track your rounds easily. Moving to round 4, do 1 single crochet, an increase, then another single crochet, repeating 6 times. It's shaping up so nicely, great job. Tip, count your stitches to stay on track. For round 5, work 3 single crochets, then an increase, repeating 6 times. You're a crochet star. Look how perfect this is coming along. Tip, relax your hands to avoid cramping. Round 6 starts with an increase, followed by 29 single crochets. You're in the groove now, amazing effort. Tip, check your stitch count to make sure you've got 30 total. For round 7, do 30 single crochets, then finish with an increase. You're making this look so easy. Fantastic work. Tip, switch to orange yarn here for a stripe if you like. Round 8 begins with an increase, then 31 single crochets. You're unstoppable. Keep it up. Tip, keep your stitches snug for a tidy finish. For round 9, work 32 single crochets, then an increase. This caterpillar is growing beautifully. Well done. Tip, alternate colors every few rows for fun stripes. Round 10 starts with an increase, then 33 single crochets. You're doing such a great job, almost halfway there. Tip: take a quick stretch break if you need it. For round 11, do 34 single crochets, then an increase. You're a pro at this. Look at that progress. Tip: keep your hook moving smoothly. Rounds 12 through 20, work 36 single crochets in each round. That's 9 rounds of steady stitching. You're a rock star for sticking with it. Tip: this is a great time to add more color stripes. Get creative. For rounds 21 and 22, keep going with 36 single crochets each. You're so close to finishing the body. Amazing patience. Tip: check your tension to keep it consistent. Round 31, work 36 single crochets. You've built such a perfect body. Well done. Tip: take a moment to admire your work. For round 32, work 2 single crochets, a decrease, then 2 more single crochets, repeating 6 times. You're shaping the ends so nicely. Keep it up. Tip: go slow with decreases to keep them neat. Round 33, do 3 single crochets, then a decrease, repeating 6 times. You're almost there. Such great work. Tip: check your stitch count to ensure it's decreasing evenly. For round 34, work 1 single crochet, a decrease, then 1 single crochet, repeating 6 times. You're doing awesome. This is looking so cute. Tip: keep your tension tight as the opening gets smaller. Now it's time to stuff your caterpillar. Grab some fiberfill and gently stuff it into the body, making sure it's firm but not overstretched. You're giving this little guy life. Amazing job. Tip: use a chopstick or the back of your hook to push the stuffing into the ends. Round 35, 1 single crochet, then a decrease, repeating 6 times. You're a superstar, almost done. Tip: use a smaller hook if it's getting tricky. For round 36, finish with 6 decreases. You did it, the body is complete. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Tip: fasten off and weave in the end to close it up. And there you have it, your very own crochet caterpillar. I'm so proud of you for following along. Isn't it adorable? If you loved this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share your finished caterpillar with me. I'd love to see it. Happy crocheting, and see you in the next video.